Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Today I'm doing a little bit of my daily cleaning routine mixed in with some spring cleaning. Once I got on a roll, I kind of just went with it. So I had some new products from Grove Collaborative that I will show you here in a few that I was so excited about using, so it kind of inspired me to do some of my spring cleaning, so you will see that. And then I also found a new cleaning product from one of my subscribers. She sent me a picture via Instagram and I went and picked it up, and it is this Purell multi-surface spray that I'm fixing to show you right there. And basically, to me, it seems kind of like hand sanitizer, and that's what it smells like. It's supposedly safe around kids and pets, and you can use it on all of those things that it shows at the top there. And I like it. I like it a lot. So definitely check that out if you can find it in your store. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch for a little bit, and I will be back in a minute.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
If anyone is wondering what that blinking thing is on the counter, that is my Bluetooth speaker, and the lights light up to the beat of the music.
Split into, hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken.
So this is candy that's left over from Valentine's Day. Most of the stuff in there is trash, and then what I'm throwing away other than trash is just things that the kids won't eat. So I wanted to go through and just get what we will eat and put it in a different container. So I was just throwing everything away, and then I sorted it into one of these little containers. I actually got this set as a gift, and I really love them. They're airtight, and they came in a set, like I said, and you can find them at Target, but you can also find them a lot cheaper at TJ Maxx and Ross and places like that.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So here are my new cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, and this is the deal for this month, and they have come out with these new limited edition spring scents. The lilac is amazing. I know they have some other scents as well, but the lilac, I can tell you guys, is amazing. I'm not a huge floral fan, but this is a very soft floral. I was unsure if I was even going to like it, but now that I have it, I am going to purchase at least probably 4 more bottles just so that I will have some for as long as I can before they run out, because it's amazing. Definitely check out these Mrs. Meyers Limited Edition Spring scents, and if you're a new customer and you use my link, you can get that entire set for free, and then if you're an existing customer, you will get some free sponges. But yeah, I highly recommend trying out Grove Collaborative. If you haven't, it's amazing. They have so many non-toxic and natural products, not just cleaning. They have all kinds of household things, things for your kids and stuff like that. They even have toilet paper. So it's a really nice website. I highly recommend checking them out. And if you're new and you want to try out, this is the perfect time because you can get that set for free. So now I'm moving on to my disaster of a living room. It looks like a toy box blew up in here, and this happens daily. I do not know what is wrong with my toddler, but this literally, I will turn my back and this is what happens every single day. So I just clean it one time a day. I don't even try to pick up throughout the day. I just let it go and I pick up one time a day. And I highly recommend doing that if you have kids, because it is absolutely pointless to pick up 20 times a day, because she will go right behind me and terrorize it right back up, and so will Tucker. A lot of you notice when I put his toys in his toy box, he goes right behind me and pulls them out. He's just as bad as my toddler. It's ridiculous. So I'm just picking up the toys. I'm going to do kind of my normal daily cleaning, and then you'll see I go into some of my spring cleaning. I actually put a shirt on. I think I got cold, which is crazy because I was cleaning like a mad woman, but it was cold in the house and I'm cold-blooded. So I put on my little shirt there, and I got it from Etsy, and I will link the Etsy shop below if you're interested, but it says I'm fixin' to, because I always say I'm fixin' to. Funny. So anyways, yep, I'm going to sit back, let you watch, and I'll be back again. So as you can see, I'm using the Mrs. Meyers on my windows and my blinds. You can use the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface on mirrors and glass. It works great. So that's what I was doing. And then I also wiped down all of my baseboards, which you will see in a minute. And my house smelled like lilac for the rest of the day. I love how the scent lingers with this stuff. It lingers probably better than any of them that I've tried, to be honest, at this point. I love it.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not, 'cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the worst though, 'cause we're so young.
So I'm starting to wipe down the baseboards. I just did the baseboards in the living room for now. That way I can kind of keep track. I'm going to go room by room, but I'm just using that multi-surface spray, and you can see my rag there was pretty filthy. And then I'm also going to wipe down that vent. I don't think that I got it on camera for some reason, but I did wipe down that air vent as well. And I pulled out all of the furniture from the walls and vacuumed behind them and got everything really clean. And it was so fun to do, to be honest, because I was loving that spray so much. I was really just enjoying cleaning. So if you need some motivation to start cleaning, buy a new cleaning product, because that always motivates me to get up and go.
Maybe it's love, it sure as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the worst though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Had no words, no, we were so young. But now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Yeah, now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so moved on. But still I hear that song.
So now I'm going to vacuum underneath the couches, and as you can see, there is a whole bunch of gross trash and odds and ends, Lord knows, underneath of the couch. It accumulates very fast because I just pulled my couches out last month and vacuumed underneath of them, and that is what I found. So I'm vacuuming underneath the couches, and like you've seen, I vacuumed behind some of the furniture. Well, actually all of the furniture. I moved the coffee table and vacuumed underneath of it as well.
We're in your car singing crazy
So now I'm just going to sit down and fold these rags and towels, and I have my little helper here. She has recently discovered that she loves to fold the rags, and she actually does a really good job. So she's helping me fold the rags. I just gave her all of those and I folded the towels, and she had a great time. When we were done, she asked for more. So she is helping me out, and then I'm pretty much done, guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you will leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box for links to anything that I might have mentioned in this video, and I also linked all of the music down there. Don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative. It's a great deal, and I would hate for you guys to miss out on it because, again, they are limited edition scents, so they will not be around for long. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you guys next time.
No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. And you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are. The way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do. Doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do. Keep on doing